Fix your Nissan door for free. Welcome back to TakeApart. This car has a stuck locking mechanism, so let's dig it out and let me show you how to fix it. Remove the screws holding the locking module. Disconnect the steel line and you should remove it from the door. One last thing to disconnect is this connector with wires. Cut off few plastic rivets around the unit and push out this steel shaft. Grab side cutters and pull this shaft about 3/4 of its way. Then unit will fall apart. Remove the electric motor and open it up. Here you can see the component causing the issue. It is some kind of resistor. So remove and replace with any steel piece. As you see, I'm using a washer. Push it in between two steel parts to close the electric circuit. Put the motor back together, but gently, as brushes are delicate and they can be damaged easily. Place motor to the case and reassemble the unit. Push that steel shaft back in and it can go to the car door. Don't worry about those plastic rivets, as module will hold and work perfectly even without them. As you can see, all is in working order. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and check description of this video. I have there some interesting links and also offer from NordVPN on internet security with 80% off its original price. NordVPN, the best internet security out there.